Okay guys, so in this video we'll be taking a look at the 18th of July Numeracy 5 a day and the 18th of July Foundation 5 a day from the CorbettMaths website. Okay, so we will start with the Numeracy 5 a day first and then we'll look at the Foundation 5 a day. Okay, so Foundation tier for GCSE Maths. The Numeracy 5 a day, that is aimed for like primary school students, but it's also appropriate for Key Stage 3 students as well. Okay, as ever guys, feel free to pause the video, try and attempt all the questions first and then press play when you're ready. Okay, this is question number 1. This is a centimeter grid. What is the perimeter of the shape? So the perimeter is the distance around the shape. So it's 4 squares along, 2 squares down, then 2 squares across, then 1 square down, then 2 down, and then 3. Okay, so adding up these numbers. So the perimeter is 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus 2, which is 8. Okay, plus 2 is 10, 11, and then plus the 3 is 14. Okay, it's 14 centimeters. So perimeter is always measured in units. Okay, this is the second question. Lunch cost £6.80. Anton pays with a £10 note. How much change should he get? So it's £10, take away £6.80. Okay, so I'm going to lay it out in a column subtraction method. Okay, making sure that all of my units line up together. Okay, 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 8 I can't do, so I have to borrow. Okay, so I borrow off this 1. That becomes a 0. That becomes a 1 there. Borrow off that. That becomes a 9. And that becomes a 1, guys. 10 take away 8 is 2. Put the dot there, decimal point there. 9 take away 6 is 3, and then 0 take away nothing is just 0. So the answer is £3.20. Okay, next question, guys. In the year 1999, so in 1999, the 28th of September was a Tuesday. What day was the 3rd of October? Well, the 29th of September was a Wednesday. The 30th is a Thursday for that year, or was a Thursday. Okay, so it's 30 days in September. Okay, 1st of October is a Friday, 2nd is Saturday, so the 3rd is a Sunday, guys. Okay. So it's 5 days later after the 28th. Okay, next question. 4 identical gold bars are placed on a set of scales. Work out the weight of 1 gold bar, include units. Now, if I look on the rereadometer here, I'm getting the value as 3.6, okay? Because it goes up in 0.2 each time, okay? So 3.6 divided by 4. Well, 36 divided by 4 is 9, but it's dividing 10 times smaller, so it's 0.9 and it's kilograms. So it's 0.9 kilograms or 900 grams. Okay, either one of those measurements is fine. Okay, but seeing as the answer was measured in kilos, I would leave your answer as 0.9 kg. Okay, just to be very explicitly clear, because we are reading in terms of kilograms. So each bar weighs 0.9 kg. Okay. We are now looking at the 18th of July, the Foundation 5 a day. Okay, first question. Find the length of the rectangle. Okay, so it says the area of the triangle is equal to the area of the rectangle. So the area of a triangle, guys, is base times height divided by 2. So it's 8 times 12 divided by 2. Okay. Now, if I work this out, 8 times 12 is 96, divided by 2 is 48. So it's 48 centimeters squared. Now, that's equal to the area. okay, is also equal to the area of the rectangle. Okay, so 48 centimeters squared is equal to the area of the rectangle. Now, the formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. Now, we are not given a length, but we are given a width and we're given the area, so it requires a bit of rearranging. So it's 3 times the length has to equal 48. Okay. So if we divide both sides by 3, we get that the length is equal to 16 centimeters. Okay, because the area of a rectangle is length times, whoops, sorry, it should be an M there. So it should be length times width. Okay, so is length times 3, that has to equal to 48. If I rearrange this equation by dividing both sides by 3, that will give me what the length is. Okay, so the length is equal to 16 centimeters. Okay, question number 2, guys. List all the possible combinations. So I can have soup, okay, curry, ice cream. I can have soup, curry and Danish. Okay, and Danish. I can have, okay, fish, curry and ice cream. Okay, I can also have fish, curry and Danish. Okay, so that's 4 so far. I can also have fish, pizza and an ice cream. Okay, I can have fish, pizza and a Danish. I can have fish, burger and an ice cream. And I can have fish, burger and Danish. Okay, they are all my possible combinations. Okay. Next question, if x equals 5, work out the value of 4x plus 3. So it's 4 lots of 5, so 4 times 5 plus 3. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 3, and I get 23. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 3 is 23. Next one, if x equals 3 and y equals 9, work out 5x, take away 2y. So being very careful here. So it's 5 lots of, or 5 times 3, so 5 lots of 3, take away 2 lots of 9. Now 5 times 3 is 15, take away 2 times down, which is 18. So 15, take away the 18, which is negative 3, guys. Okay. Next question, find the area of this shape. So this is what I call a compound shape. So I'm going to split it into a trapezium and a rectangle. Okay, so if this whole thing is 30, this is 22, that means the distance from there to here is going to be 8, okay, and that's important when we work out the area of a trapezium. So that's going to be 8 meters, okay, because the whole thing is 30, 8 plus 22 is 30. So the area of the rectangle, so let's just do it bit by bit, is 22 times 15, okay, which gives me the answer of 330 meters squared. And how I knew that is because I times 22 by 30 instead, okay, which gave me 660, and then I just halved my answer, okay, so then I just halved the answer. The area of the trapezium is the 2 parallel sides added together, so it's 15 add 20, okay, divided by 2, times by the height, which is 8. Okay, So let's just break this down, guys. I can cancel that and that, so that's going to give me 1 there. That's going to give me 4. Okay, I'm going to have 35 times 4. So 35 times 2 is 70, times 2 again is 140, and it's 140 meters squared, okay, because remember that units for area is always units squared. So it's meters squared for that, and it's meters squared for that. Therefore, the total area is 330 plus 140, which is 470 meters squared. Okay. Next one, x is equal to 2y plus 3. Rearrange the formula to make y the subject. So if I take away 3 on both sides, I get x take away 3 is equal to 2y. Dividing both sides by 2, because 2y means 2 times y. So x take away the 3, all divided by 2, gives me the value for y. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 3 over 2, or I can even write it as y is equal to a half, brackets, x minus 3. Okay, either one is fine. Okay, so either way is fine. Okay, so the answer is y is equal to x minus 3 all divided by 2, or y equals a half lots of x minus 3. Okay, either way is the same answer. Okay, so y is equal to x take away 3 all divided by 2. Okay, so x take away 3 all divided by 2. Okay, and that's in closed brackets. Okay, right guys, so that is the end of today's video for the CorbettMaths 5 a day. So I sincerely hope you found it useful. If you did, please press that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. And lastly, please click that bell icon so you are notified of when I upload on the channel. And lastly, please feel free to share this video, share my channel with Key Stage 3 students, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 1, GCSE Foundation and Higher, and also A-Level Pure Maths and A-Level Further Pure Maths. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I run the Abdallah Maths Tutoring 2022 channel. I also offer private tuition, so if you're looking for a private tutor for September, for October, for November next year, then please get in touch with me and I'll be happy to arrange it. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye for now.